Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning the first week of November in my catch-all planner, which is Beauty in Florals. I have about 2 months left in this one. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and are coming back, thank you so much for choosing to spend more time with me. As you can see, I am rifling through some pages that I created on my Cricut with some Etsy images, and I truly love them. So that's what we are creating today. So this is October 31st through November 6th. Like I said, this is a catch-all planner called Beauty in Florals, and it is a classic vertical layout. So here we go. I'm gonna place lots and lots of flowers today on the edges. So I'm gonna be edging all around this page. I think it's going to look great. I don't know. I'm hoping it's going to look great. I really don't know. So let's see how this goes. As I'm doing this, I hope you guys are having a good week. I hope that everything is going well, and then you guys are getting ready for Halloween. So the cool thing about Halloween in my town is that they moved it to Sunday, so kids can trick-or-treat on Sunday instead of Monday. So this way I won't have to rush from work to make sure I'm home so the kids can come and get candy. They'll do that on a Sunday instead. And this way, our nephew gets to come and trick-or-treat at our house, which is fun, right? It's like sharing a kid. It's awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all of that. So for me, Halloween will end on Sunday. Practically, I do have to dress up for work on Monday, but that's about it. What about you guys? How are you celebrating? Are you going to parties? Are you doing anything fun? So keep me posted. I want to know. Oh yeah, I love how this looks, by the way. And what are you guys dressing up as? If you are dressing up, what is your costume? I really want to know. So I have multiple costumes. One is a chocolate and like a graham cracker, and then my boyfriend's the marshmallow and the graham cracker. So together we're s'mores. And for work, my homework dressed up as a baseball team, which is kind of fun, right? I think that's kind of cool. So that's where I am at. Let me know down below what you guys are dressing up as, because I'm always curious what people come up with, especially if you make your own costume at home. I wish you guys could drop pictures, because that's really what I want, right? Okay. So let's keep making the edges around. I love this graphic. If this looks familiar, it's because it's the same graphic as Live Love Posh uses, just slightly less saturated. So that's where it might look familiar. So I love this color combo with like the lighter brown, darker brown, and the white florals. I think it's super brilliant, and I can't get enough of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and place more, because why not? It takes forever, you guys. This is already a speed up version, obviously with a voiceover. It takes forever, so And just so you guys know, when I am finished with the spread, I'm like obsessed with it. I even left it out open on my desk, so that's the first thing I see when I walk into my office. Normally my planner is closed overnight, so that's a pretty big obsession, at least for me. So okay, so well, I still need to do the top, but all of the side edges are done. I really love this. So now I'm just gonna put these tiny things in here to finish the edging on the top. And then after that, it should go pretty fast. Hopefully. I don't know. Hopefully it does. So let's see. This is also the same graphic I used in my currently page. If you watched it, has all of these leaves falling with like multiple boxes with the actual currently. So if you've seen it, this is why it might look familiar for you as well if you don't use Live Love Posh. So yep, kind of cool. Okay, so I'm gonna add more of this really quickly. Okay, just go on straight. Maybe I'll put it on this side. Maybe it doesn't want to be on the left side. That's fine. Okay, almost done. I'm gonna add actually I'm gonna add this branch right there. I think it's gonna look great sticking out. Okay, I'm gonna add a couple leaves. I'm gonna fill in that space right there, and then the only other thing, I need like one more flower arrangement, and then that is done. I think it's so pretty. Okay, at least to me this turned out gorgeous. If it's your style as well, let me know. But I'm loving this. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use the other stickers from here that I have printed and made. I definitely want to put a girl in here. I haven't had girls in my planner in a little bit, so let me see if I can find one sitting in a direction I want, because I do flip him on my Cricut a lot. Okay, let's pull her up. I think that works quite well, and we're gonna sit her down on all of these arrangements. She looks so cozy. Yay. Okay, now I'm gonna grab Mojo Jojo sticker book, and it's the original one, so the one from last year. Her like brown tones really match the spread with the darker browns and like red browns. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take some of these checklists, because who doesn't love a checklist in their planner, right? I'm gonna take some of these and kind of slap them on, and then we'll go from there. Okay. I started with the brown, but I think I want to start with the red, so I'm gonna swap them. I know, that's silly, right? It's just a checklist, but I want everything to be kind of balanced and bring out the best out of the spread, so that's where I am. I can't help it. Okay, so we're gonna do another one red. And then we can do one right here. I'm gonna put it as straight as possible. This is what I struggle with every day, you guys. I don't know why. Like, I don't know if I'm crossing my eyes when I do this or what, but I for the life of me. Like, it takes so effort to put a sticker straight. Okay, so one last checklist, and then I need some boxes and more decorations. Okay, so now it's starting to look like a planner, right? It has some checklists. I'll take some boxes for my work schedule. This week is more than likely going to be brutal, but hey, that's life, at least for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick some boxes and go from there. So I have to kind of watch my own hours. So that's why I always put a schedule on, like, or I actually put my actual hours of when I get there and when I leave. That's what I do, not a schedule. Okay, so that's about it as far as functional stuff goes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add lots of little decorations. So I want to add a few of these whimsical, like, additions. I really want to add this lantern. I think that's a good spot. Higher, maybe? Yes. Okay, and now we put this higher so it doesn't blend with the back, like with the edging. I wanted it to stand out on its own, and because it has the same flower arrangement, it will blend. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a huge stack of blankets and put them right here into a cozy fall. So there we go. Okay, and then last few things is I'm gonna need something for those empty spaces up here. So I want to add some kind of whimsical arrangements, maybe like a shoe and a book. Yeah, let's do that. Sorry, I'm like grabbing my tweezers all over. Yeah, a shoe and a book, and then maybe one more. Maybe we need like a pumpkin, something. And then we are practically done. So I'm not adding that to Friday. I think that looks beautiful. Okay. Okay, all done. So that's all I had for you guys. I'm gonna pop this back in my planner. I hope you enjoyed this one. This is definitely something I love very much. How it turned out, let me know how much you guys like it, or if you don't like it, why. And I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.